Okay, this is part 2 of this Ingersoll ran 185. Okay, what I had to do is I removed this 1.25" hydraulic tube. It's actually for where the air discharge is. It was a 2-inch wrench on that. It was difficult to get that bottom one. So I'm showing you this now. What I did, so when I got it off there, I took a light down in there. I could see that that little valve thing is full of rust and stuff. So at least, even if this is not the problem, let's see if you can see it in there a little better with that light. Even if it's not the problem, we're going to take it apart anyways and go through it. I've already broken it free, you can see. Let's pull it off. This is part of troubleshooting. Same with hydraulics. Let's get this off and look at it. Luckily, I already broke it free because it was on there tight. It's kind of difficult. But what I'll do is I'll set up in the shop and we'll go through this thing and see what's going on in here. It looks to me like it's frozen up. Okay, there it is. This is where it discharges. Okay, so there is, you can see down in there, there's some kind of valve, but down in there, it's all rusted and stuff. There's some kind of a valve. What I think was happening, and this was just a guess. Okay, we're going to find out. This is froze up, so it would not, the air could not push this plunger down to relieve, and I think that's what it is. Now, I could be wrong, but that was my first guess after messing with this thing, and I don't have a lot of experience on these. You know, I just started looking around. You know, this is what I do in hydraulics too. But that I have a lot more experience, and I try to make an educated guess and my experience of what I run into, which might be the problem. So I think that's it. I can see it in there. If you can kind of, there's a plunger. I think that's frozen up. So we're going to take this apart. I've never done this before, and try to see what's going on here. I'll clean this up. I don't know how. We're going to have to see how this comes apart. This thing. So stand by. I'll get set up in the shop. I just want to show you that's part 2. I think this is it. I think this is going to solve the problem. Stand by.